Hi guys, I will show you in this video after we poured concrete for exterior wall. You can see here that's another concrete wall, different elevation. That's the exterior walls, also at the back side. So, and then we remove the forms and we are working to do the electrical conduits. You can see here that's electrical conduit, and also all the plumbing pipes under the slab, concrete slab. And you can see we received the steel structure to the building. You can see over there the columns and beams and rafter. Same thing, we have some of them there, columns, beams and rafters. And we started to erect the I columns. You can see the I columns here. We started those, and all the anchor bolts done per drawing. And we are working to do the formwork. You can see the formwork for diamond. You can see this one and the other one, because we have some of interior footing inside the building, will be inside the slab. So when we will pour the slab, we need to install those diamonds shape plywoods, and after that we need to remove the forms and set the I columns and then pour concrete later. So here, just to show you, we have 57 stone inside the building, and we have crusher run around the building. You can see construction in winter, so when we will get rain, we will not stop. That's more thing. You can see you have 57 stone and crusher run. So just to show you in this video, concrete, exterior concrete walls and slab work, interior plumbing and electrical conduit. You can see those conduits set up on the exterior wall, and we started to erect the steel structure. So guys, if you are interested in construction field, please just subscribe and like, so you will receive another video about construction work, different construction work from foundation to roofing. And you can see here, that is the bracket here, so there's a girts will be here, yeah, just subscribe. Thank you guys, bye.